If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Harness secure. Comms check clear. Ready for deployment.
Lifter steady. Bring it inward, slowly. Hold the guide ropes tight.
Lowering the ramps now. Grab the chains. Got it. Setting the chocks first. Check the tension on the chocks. Verified. We are good to transport. All right, steady tension. Coming down slow. Watch the right side clearance. Almost on the floor.
We're carefully inspecting these aged connectors for moisture damage and salt residue before we finalize the restoration plan. The corrosion on the rear suspension assembly is extensive. We're looking at
That's 50 foot-pounds. Confirmed. Good to go. Steady now, bringing it down. Seated. Clearances look good. Pass me the torque wrench.
Final bolt torque to specification. Confirmed. Inspection complete. It's good to go. All right, keep it coming down. Steady. Watching the mounts now. Looks aligned. Dash connections are secure. How are the seat rails looking? Passenger side is locked in. Ready for the trim panel.
The high-build gray primer application is flawless, ensuring a perfect foundation for the final coat.